Hope you are able to take care of your health properly during this quarantine. I have received a lot of requests from different people regarding posting some of the movements, the exercises or yoga or yogic postures for knee pain management. So we have designed a 5-day series which is like maybe 5 minutes every day, and you have to start with day 1, then when you go to day 2 you have to add day 1 with day 2 and so on. So this is 5 days. The first one is named as feet walk. So we are going to walk on the feet from different direction. How do we start? 1. So there are 4 variations in that. Variation 1, you stand with your feet together or apart as per your comfort. If you have any kind of balancing issues, you can keep your legs apart or keep it together. Slowly, arms up with inhalation, interlace your fingers and go up, tall. Now slowly start leaning forward, move your body weight in front to come on the toes, tall. Your stomach soft, lengthen it, feel that vacuum effect in your stomach and then walk. Few steps, maybe 10, 20 steps as per your comfort. Walk back, and while walking back, walk slowly. You push the feet, the metatarsals, the area just above the toes, to feel that back. To the right, to the left, in the middle, and release. So this was stretch 1 for the feet walk. Stretch 2, again check for the alignment of your body. Interlace your fingers, inhale, raise your arms up, go up as much as possible. This time come on the heels, like we were on the toes last time, on the heels, this way. And again, you are walking with the heels. Lift your body up, maybe 10, 20 steps in front, 10, 20 steps at the back, 10, 20 to the right. You should feel your core completely. To the left, in the middle, and release. This was stretch 2. Stretch 3, we will go on the sides. So we are going on the edges of the foot. This is how we will go, edges of the foot. Inhale, arms up, tall, up. Again tuck your navel in, lengthen your body as much as possible, and now you are walking forward in this position. Go. Anyone who has got pronated feet, this is one of the most recommended for them. Keep going back, tummy in, move to the right, left, in the middle, and relax. That was our feet walk stretch 3. Feet walk stretch 4. Now we'll go with toes facing each other. This is not very easy, but do whatever you can do. Anybody who has got pronated feet problem, they should not do this one, they should go back to the third one. Now again inhale, arms up, tall as possible, your core in, lengthen yourself, and then you start walking. See. Like you will walk like a baby. See, this way. Few steps, maybe 10, 20, 30 as per your comfort at the back. Keep your spine tall, your core is active all the time. To the right, left, and release. One practice, like we did feet walking, 4 variations, so do this one, and what all can be done with this one. Now when you do this regularly, we are working on the knees, so working on lengthening and the strengthening the surrounding areas of the knee. If you are suffering from problems like plantar fascia, heel spur, Achilles tendon, flat feet, these are really recommended for that, along with the knee pain. When you are raising your arms up and when you have done like maybe walking 10 steps forward, 10 steps backward and sideways and all the variations, you will feel that your arms are tired because your arms are not used to lifting up. So you are strengthening your arms and stretching all the surrounding areas of the shoulder. So if you have any kind of frozen shoulder, tight shoulder, that will get released. Now during the posture, during the walking, you are really lifting your abdominal area up and kind of softly squeezing your hips. So that's working on strengthening your core as well as your hips. Tip of the day, Don't climb the stairs. If at all you'll have to climb. When you are climbing, use the good leg first. So if suppose if you have a problem with the right knee, you go with the left leg first when you are climbing. While climbing down, use the weak leg first. So follow this and only climb if it is at all necessary. So try this one and I'll meet you on day 2.